Today I'm going to mill some Emmer wheat. And did you know that Emmer wheat has a low gluten content that makes it easier to digest than regular wheat? It also has a low glycemic index, making it a healthy choice for diabetics. Emmer is packed with high protein, low gluten, and is rich in micronutrients like minerals and antioxidants. In other words, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. So let's start milling. Now that the Emmer is milled, I'm going to get my ingredients together and make some oatmeal cranberry cookies. The Emmer cookies are out of the oven and they look scrumptious. Can't wait to have one.